cross over to Uganda, where the opposition continues to fight in realignments ahead of the country's 2016 general election. The opposition candidates are seeking to replace incumbent Yoweri Museveni, who is seeking re-election on the ruling NRM party. Let's catch up with the campaign politics in Uganda in this report from our television partner, NBS.
By 9 a.m. this morning, a group of UPC supporters loyal to the newly elected president, Honorable Jimmy Akena, stormed the party headquarters at Uganda House and forcefully evicted another faction loyal to the former president, Olara Otuno. The angry group, led by the party Secretary General Honorable Fred Ebil, alleges that for the last 30 years, Otuno has been manipulating Milton Obote Foundation, a group managing the property by trust.
You are saying what? You are saying it's joking. You are saying am I joking? You are here for who? No, he's here for who? You are not here for me. You knew it. Why did you call me? He's the one who is causing problems here. Who are you deployed here for? He's deployed here for who? You shoot.
These are non-party members who are ferried like Kanyamas from Chisenyi, ferried by the former party president, Ambassador Olara Otuno, who is in exile now. He's living in exile in America. But he's thinking of staging a coup using bandits. Some are even were high on drugs. So we had to deal with them with full force.
They are still sympathizing with the faction of Dr. Olara Otuno. That's why they closed 6th floor with the aim of actually evicting the new leadership of Uganda People's Congress.
They are concerned about Otuno's continued hold onto the office in the 9th floor, yet he resigned 3 months ago.
Everybody in this country knows that Uganda House is the party headquarters and they are at 6th floor, not a 9th floor. So we were asking ourselves, how comes again a former president has been given an office? And how many offices are we having for Uganda People's Congress?
After losing control of the house in question, the Olara Otuno group tried to hire the services of city body builders, commonly known as Kanyamas, to regain the building, and a battle ensued.
Yes. What of those? Whatever they say, they were under orders. First down there. Which policeman? No, the boys. The boys where? Yeah, down there. And you are going. We are not going to leave you here. You will live here. You are living here, better. You must know that.
Police had to be immediately called in to rescue the situation and has taken charge of Uganda House, chasing away both factions.
No person should harm anybody. The building should be open and normal business should continue. Police shall take over the security of the building until otherwise.
Last evening, the ongoing National Council meeting sitting in Joker's Hotel in Weogerere resolved that MOF, that is dominated by Otuno loyalists, relieved of landlord roles at Uganda House. The party is to form a new administrative team to be announced soon.
The Board of Trustees also hires managers. Those ones will account to a new team of trustees that shall be appointed at the appropriate time by the party.
Pending all these conflicts, the party's National Council has appointed a 7-member committee to negotiate and reconcile the conflicting parties. Richard Olweny, Katagwa George, NBS Sunset.